Hello, when you meet someone for the first time, what do you say? Do you feel confused? Do you feel shy? Do you think, what should I say in English? Don't worry, today's video will solve this problem. In this video, you will learn how to greet people and introduce yourself in formal and informal English. Stay with me till the end. This video will help you speak English confidently. Hello everyone, welcome to my NEU English channel and English speaking day 2. In this channel, I am teaching a 30-day English speaking course. This course is for beginners, students and anyone who understands English but cannot speak. In these 30 days, we will practice simple English speaking step by step. I will speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. You do not need perfect English, you do not need fast English, you only need practice, patience and confidence. If you follow this course daily, your English speaking will improve. Speak with me, practice with me, let's learn English together. First, let's understand one question. What is a greeting? A greeting is the first thing we say when we meet someone. A greeting shows politeness, respect, and friendliness. In English, greetings are very important. A good greet creates a good impression. In English, we have two main types of greetings. First, formal greetings. Second, informal greetings. Let's learn them one by one. Formal greetings. We use formal greetings with teachers, elders, bosses, and strangers. Formal greetings are polite and respectful. Hello, good morning. We use it before 12 noon. Good afternoon. We use it after 12 noon. Good evening. We use it in the evening or at night. How do you do? How are you? Response, I'm fine. How are you doing? Response, I am good. And saying goodbye formal. Goodbye, bye bye, bye. Informal greetings. We use informal greetings with friends, classmates, and family. The most common informal greetings are hi, hiya, howdy, giddy, hey, what's up? Response, not much or nothing much. Hey, how's it going? Response, it's going fantastic. Saying goodbye informal. See you later, take care, see ya, tata. Introduce yourself. How to introduce yourself? We say, my name is Neno. My name is Sarah. You can also say, I am Neno. Both are correct. Asking someone's name. Now, how do we ask someone's name? We say, what is your name? Or what's your name? Formal question, may I know your name? And response, my name is Neno or I am Neno. Very polite and very good. Formal introduction. Hello, I am Kyan. Nice to meet you, Kyan. I am Wasi. Nice to meet you too, Wasi. Informal introduction. Hi, I am Annam. Nice to meet you, Annam. I am Sakina. Nice to meet you too, Sakina. Today you learned what greetings are, informal greetings, formal greetings, how to introduce yourself, how to ask someone's name. These are basic but very important skills. If you practice every day, you will speak English confidently. Do not feel shy. Do not fear mistakes. Speaking improves with practice. Thank you for watching. This was day 2 of our English speaking course. If you like this video, like, subscribe to the channel and comment below. Write your name. See you in day 3. Goodbye.